Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Newton, a cryptocurrency exchange that has been around for a while. I'm often asked if Newton is the oldest crypto coin in the world, and the answer is no. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange, not a cryptocurrency. The oldest cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. So, what is Newton? Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. Newton is a relatively new exchange, having been founded in 2017. However, it has quickly become one of the most popular exchanges in Canada. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send BTC from Newton. I'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of using Newton. How to send BTC from Newton. Sending BTC from Newton is easy. Here are the steps. Log in to your Newton account. Click on the Send tab. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you have sent your BTC, it will be credited to the wallet you sent it to. Pros and cons of using Newton. Pros: easy to use. Wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Low fees. Good customer support. Cons: not available in all countries. Limited number of fiat currencies supported. Conclusion: Newton is a great cryptocurrency exchange for beginners and experienced traders alike. It is easy to use, has a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, and offers low fees. If you are looking for a good all-around exchange, I recommend Newton. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.